Today we're gonna play around with a new ramp that I built. Ramp has a 30-degree pitch, 40 inches wide, and it's been curing for the last 10 days or so. It's sprayed with Rust-Oleum. Taken a while to dry up. So this morning we're gonna play around with it, and we're gonna start off with a Kraton 4S. So let's see what happens. We should have a couple more guys coming down. I'll probably have some footage of them too. So we'll see what happens here. I am running 4S on the Kraton today. That's its very first jump. Grass is really wet today. Well, that seems to work really nice. So the ramp, it's a combination of a couple of ideas that I found on YouTube. Got a bunch of different ideas laid into it. The underside, it's not really all that heavy. It has some 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 fence posts going across. And the ramp itself is 1/8 inch birch wood. Got a bunch of Gorilla Glue. Got a bunch of screws holding it all together. It should be really durable. I know a lot of people are probably going to say, send that thing, send it. Well, I'm not really good at jumping. That's getting some good height. Whoops. And I think I might have just broke something. Let's see what I did. Oh. Looks like we bent the tie rod right here, just by hitting that post right there. Great, huh? All right, well, let me take that apart. Doesn't look like it's broken, looks like it's bent, so maybe I can get it back together. Yeah, the A-arm looks okay, the shock looks okay. Looks like it's just that rod. Let's see if we can get that bent back. There's a vise over there, and let's see if we can get that fixed. Alright, we took the tie rod out. This right here. Straightened it. There's a vise over there. And luckily I was able to straighten it without snapping it. It had a pretty good bend in it. Anyway, got it straightened out, and we're ready to go. Let's see if we can avoid the metal posts. Ouch. Oh my Lord. Uh-oh. Wow. Motor came right off the motor mount.
Did it?
Uh-oh. Oh, this is going to be a repair job. Watch this. I'll keep the film running. I want you to see this.
Oh, wow. What did it do? Break right off the gear case, or the bolts just come out?
Oh, looks like the bolts came out. That I don't have my glasses. Do I have one broken right there? Watch it. It's going to be a little hot. Yeah, I think
if you pulled the bolts out or if they just loosened up.
Yeah. All right. Well, that you don't see every day, folks. Look at that. Knocked it right out of there. Bad landing and all.
How does the motor mount? It mounts to this plate.
Yeah, that plate with two screws. With two screws, and it goes.
And
the pinion goes right through there.
Inside there, then.
Yeah. Well, there's one right there. I can feel it. So, and I think that one broke off.
There's the other one. Yeah, I don't know if
there's only two. There's one right there.
It looks like one might have broke off.
Yeah, I think that's this one right here.
But you can rotate the motor a little bit and have fresh holes.
Yep. All right. Hope everybody enjoyed that. We finally broke a truck today. Hit the brake too soon. No, I think I need the 45-degree ramp for that. Yeah, pretty much full throttle, yeah. Ah.
1.5.
Yeah. Got the voltage alarm going off. It's only a 3000 milliamp 4S, so it doesn't last too long. Oh! We're good, baby. Arrma tough, Arrma tough. Oh!
Are you filming?
Yeah. All right, one more. Too much fun. Too much fun.
Oh, you really planted it that one time.
Yeah, I did. That was a lawn dart.